Welcome everyone, or should I say ciao a tutti. Today is the 5th of November, Guy Fawkes Day, and we have a stunning Alfa Romeo Giulia on test for the day. Che bella macchina! Alfa Romeo Giulia. 20 years ago I had a 156 Veloce and I absolutely loved the car. But it did live up to its Alfa reputation and had some engine problems at 60,000. So this Alfa Romeo Giulia is a 280 horsepower rear-wheel drive, 4-door saloon. It's been really well reviewed. It's been out about 5 years now. You can see it's got this stunning Alfa Romeo front badge, front end, with a trademark offset number plate. You can see the LEDs flickering away. As we come round the side of the car now, I'm just parked up near Marlborough, and we'll have a look at the side. It runs the trademark Alfa Romeo wheels. They look fantastic in black. I think they really set off the white paintwork very well. Let's pull back a bit, show you the view of the car from here. Sweet. What a lovely style car. So it's a competitor for the BMW 3 Series, which I've driven as well and would consider. 3 Series is a great driving car, fantastic interior. It doesn't have the character of this car, and they just get in your blood really. You buy them with your heart rather than the head, but I've always loved Alfas. I'm an Italian speaker, I teach Italian as well as Spanish and French, so I love all things Italian, and this takes me back to my youth. If we look inside the car now, I know it's beeping away, I can't turn that off, but we've got a lovely red leather interior. I'll do some driving shots and impressions later. You've got the traditional Alfa cowled instruments there. You've got the speedometer on the right. You've got your rev counter on the left, which even says giri in Italian. There you are, giri, the Italian word for revolutions or turns. And you've got these fantastic, really well machined, really tactile paddle shifters for semi-automatic. Automatic gearbox down there. It's a nice carbon fiber effect. I'll talk you through the screen. It's very easy, it's logical. It's a touch screen, and also you've got a rotary dial down here, and this is your drive mode, D and A. D is for dynamic, N is for normal, and A is, well, who cares really? A is the, I don't know, what would you call it? The eco mode, but you don't really buy a car like this to drive in eco mode, do you? Go around the back seat of the car. Yeah, you could get 2 adults in there at a squeeze. It's not the most practical car, not as practical as the 3 Series, but again, Alfas aren't really rational buys. You buy them because you love them. Let's have a look in the boot. Round to the boot of the car now. So it's a saloon. You can get the Stelvio as well. You can get the SUV version. It's a bit smaller than the 3 Series boot, but you've got split fold rear seats there. You've got a ski hatch there as well, you can feed it through. And we look at the back end. Got two quite prominent exhaust pipes. You've got a black diffuser down there. It's a lovely effect. Very handsome rear of the car as well. I just think it's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Bellissima. Ma che macchina bella. Really beautiful car. Anyway, it's time to take it out and see if it is veloce, as it calls itself, how quick it is. I will take it for a driving impressions drive next, folks. Ciao ciao, a presto, ciao.